In this short video, I'm going to walk you through AI project organization. This is a tiny little nugget, but it's going to make all the difference in the world. All right. First, you want to have some different categories for your projects. I like to name them O1 AI knowledge base and brand. You're going to keep going back and adding to your knowledge base. You want to have a good organization, a good task, so you can keep going back and updating it as you evolve. Then it might help to have a task just for brand asset creation, maybe updating those business cards or other items. Your mission, core values, culture, right? Again, this is about having a place for these things to live. Next one might be marketing, your personas and avatars, your marketing plan for the year, maybe individual marketing campaigns. You might have 8, 12, 14 different tasks. And here's the thing, when you drop your instructions in and you drop that AI knowledge base into the full project here, it's going to apply to all of these different tasks. That's going to be a time saver for skills, brand documents, things like that. All right, sales. This is where you might have tasks for your preconditioning email sequence to update it, freshen it up, or the did not hire campaign, or how to overcome objections. This gives you an easy place for everything to live and remember where it is. Fulfillment of client services, great category. Client happiness, all those subsequent reach outs, testimonials, referral programs that can all live in here. Team happiness for your team retreats, team builders, and such. And then you might have one just for the team to use for their own projects and one for you as the owner. You might also want one just for random questions so that you don't cloud up all this other stuff with just those random questions we ask. Now, if you already have great file organization, then use that. So for instance, this is what we at the UIB marketing team use. We have everything by number. So the AI knowledge base has a place to live, is a Word document. All of our systems, our KPIs and planning, a place for all of our data and our weekly reports get dropped in this folder, and there's sub-organizational parts in there. Again, if you already have a good organizational schematic, use that. It's less wasted mental energy if everything is similarly organized. If you don't have one, maybe it's time to do a little cleanup and have a little fun with this. So again, have fun. Let's get you organized.